For this video, we will discuss how to add users. When you purchase the software, you will decide on how many consecutive users you want to log into the software. However, the software does not limit you from adding numerous usernames and passwords. So once you are ready to take this step, you will go to the Users tab and click Add New. At this point, you'll decide on a username and a password. When typing these in, it is a good idea to write them down for any reason so that you can remember them later. If this certain user is an organization administrator, if they would like to be able to change passwords and delete users, you would need to check this box. The rest of this information is optional. You can put in the first name and the last name, also with the email, address, zip code, state, city, and phone numbers are optional as well. Once you're ready to save this information, we're going to click on Save here. It does say that Mickey now was saved successfully, and we'll click OK. At this point, Mickey Mouse is a user. However, they do not have any permissions for a clinic quite yet. We will then need to come to the Users tab, go down to Username, and you can do a partial or a full search here. Search for that person, click on Go. This is the one we just added recently, which was Mickey. We can go to Details, Edit, or Permissions. If we go to Permissions, this will load for us. This is a list of sites. Most of the time you will only have one. At this point you will click on your site name and drop down the list. You can then see how the permissions are sorted. The most important box right now is to check is to allow login. This will allow the login to the software. If this individual is a site administrator, you would need to check this box. The difference between a site administrator and an organization administrator only comes into play when you have multiple sites. At this point, you can select to check all below. This will be checking to view, edit, add, and delete all patients, physicians, users, orders, reports, and codes. If these permissions are correct, we're going to scroll to the very bottom and click Save. At this point, we can see Mickey Mouse's full record, his permissions, and then when he was created.